Ha? Wala lang paulit kayo na igibati ba?
In the midst of the storm, is your sheep, toes, and mother.
Naruling talaga di kalat. Naruling daw palit pag-ino.
Someone's praying for you this very day, and this mistake is already on your way.
Magampag mo.
Someone
Lingon sa papa.
for you.
Ang ganda na sila.
Someone is praying
Nanay?
for you. So when it seems you're all alone
Ma,
and you're
wala ko kabalo ay.
remember someone
Asa si ate?
is praying for you.
Hindi ay.
It seems that you're praying, then your strength is all gone, and your fears all
Ay, baby, dagan. Ha? Baby?
Baba!
Mm-mm.
How much you can bear, and speak your name,
Nanay?
someone in prayer. Someone is praying.
Dako na si Kuan.
Someone is praying for you. So when it seems you're all alone and your heart is breaking through, remember someone is praying for you. Mama!
Super drinks go. Hindi palit? Ha? Malit? Ha? Ang palit na. 5 lang. Ay, 5? Para po. Ano? 6 lang.
Kurang dah ke?
6. Hindi na nagkahuman kaya.
Kuha naman na sa inyo.
Na, abi ako kami mama. Ha? Gani.
Wishing you a Merry Merry Christmas.
Salamat.